Hello everyone, welcome again to Matrix Engineer. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to write a Python program to find the square root of a number. Let's start. Okay, this is what we did in our last previous video. Let's delete it. So in this program that you're going to write, you're going to use two options. The option where we will declare a variable with its initialization value, and we will also use the option of where the program will ask a user to enter the number. So let's start by declaring a variable. Let's call it, for example, a number equal with its initialization value. It's 5. So let's declare a variable of square root equal. So for declaring a square root, we are going to use the formula of let's use number and times 0.5. So some people are going to wonder why we are using this 0.5. So for calculating the square root of number, raising a number to the power of 0.5 is equivalent to take its square root. The times operator can be used for any exponent, as you know. It can be used for any exponent operator. Operator used for exponent, just not for 0.5 only. For example, if we use 0.2, it is going to find the square of the number. If you use 0.3, it's going to find the cube of the number. So for using 0.5, it's going to find the square root, not a square root. When you use 2, it's going to find the square of a number. So let's continue by finding square root. So now we are going to print the square root. Let's display the square root. Print the square root of, let's use placeholder. For placeholder, we are in a floating placeholder. There is some error. Let's use this double quotation. So the square roots of, so here we are going to use placeholder of floating numbers. For floating numbers, we are going to use this sign. Let's use percentage 0.3f. When you use a 3f, this is a placeholder. It's a placeholder for a floating point number with a 3 decimal places. With a 3 decimal places, it's floating point number with a 3 decimal places. You will see. This is the placeholder of a number. So the output of square root, the placeholder of, this is a placeholder of a number, and you're going to write the placeholder of square root. Placeholder of square root, you're going to also write percentage 0.3f. So after that, you're going to use percentage for value. I'm going to write a number, comma, and I'm going to write square root as you write it. So as you see, now you're going to display and see if the program brings the output. So you see the square root of 5 is 2.236. So this is the output, and the reason why we use a 3, this 3f, it's for just is for it is for 3 decimal numbers. This is 3 decimal numbers for displaying 3 decimal numbers. You can use it too also. You will see when you use it too, this number is going to be 2. You see the square root of 5 is 5. So this is a placeholder of 5, and this is a placeholder of square root. You see the reason why we're using 3f. So let's continue by using 3f. So as we said, for using this exponent of 0.5 as it is the equivalent to taking square root of a number, we can also use it for finding square of a number. You see the square of number 5 is this. So if we use 5, it is equivalent for square root. So for asking user to input a number, here it use this, enter a number. So this option is where the user have to enter a number. So enter a number 5. You see the square root of 5 is equal to this. See 6. The square root of 6 is this. So guys, thank you. Do subscribe for getting updates about Python programs and Python course. Thank you.